Hi, Matthias, right?
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. It's good to see you, sir.
Great. Thank you so much for your time.
Yes. Okay. So my name is Hridoy from Bangladesh,
Nice to meet
and
you.
you sent me a message on Fiverr, and subsequently visited your website and found your email address. So your email address. I'm
Mhm.
right. I am speaking to offer business solution for your venture. It's free consultancy support, especially from me, and I also offer a range of sales and business growing services, including email service, email marketing, social media marketing, SEO and content strategy, Facebook ads, Google ads. Do you know about this type of service name?
Yes.
Before you take it. Okay, sir.
Sorry.
Let's use my idea to get started. First, I want to say congrats on starting your new venture,
Thank you.
stillupetfinds.com, right?
Yes.
Focusing on your electronic pet supplies.
Well, that's the thing. What I need right now is to know where should I like finding a niche inside the pet supplies field. Let's say
Okay.
because at the beginning I started with this other website. Let me write it to you. Automatic litter box that shop. Okay, I was like looking for something more of a niche, and I like pets, and as these are very expensive items, I thought that it could be good for them, like having a good commission every time there was a sale from there. But I started that website from the beginning, like watching tutorials in internet, how to make a WordPress site. It's very basic. And after I spent so many afternoons, I said, no, this is too basic. I need something else. So
Okay.
I went to Fiverr and I contacted this person that is a ECO developer, and I know how many other things. And I told him what I was doing, and he told me that he could create this website, and that it could be like he told me, automatic editors is like it's like a too small niche, let's say. So we could how to say it in English, like put it like check like the pet niche, and I say okay,
Right.
fine.
I have
But then
also
mm,
I have also a pet related website like wownity.com. You can visit my website.
oh, okay, can you write it here?
Wownity.com. You can visit this website.
Whoa,
Only this
like the name. Whoa, I need it.
Wownity. Yes. Very interesting.
and and well, I spoke with some other person from Fiverr, and one person was telling me that the pet niche is too already overrun. Let's say like there are too many stores already that I should
Already
like
right. Right.
go to a I don't know, a stretcher niche inside the pets. And well, that's what I'm looking for, like some kind of guidance to see to get some ideas. I don't
Here I have
know.
a suggestion. Here I have only
That's
here
really
I have
nice.
here I have a suggestion. Like already this needs to cover many computer. We have many computer, right? So
And you have for cats and
need
dogs especially.
need to research perfectly with right kg keyword golden ratio. This implement Duo Cunnington. Do you know about Duo Cunnington? He's
No,
an
what's
SEO,
that?
so he's an SEO expert, world famous SEO expert, and he provide KGR method. KGR method means keyword golden ratio. We can search this type of keyword, and next time we will make content with your related product. Then we can run easily. We can rank easily your website. Here has my step-by-step guide to help you create successful strategy, like uh, market research, define your target audience first of all, obviously, uh, product selection, supply partnership, marketing strategy, customer service analysis and improvement, like use tool like Google Analytics to track your website traffic, customer behavior and sales conversation. Regularly review this data to understand what working and what need improvement. Continuously adapt your strategy based on customer feedback and market trends. By following this step, you can create a solid foundation for your business and effectively target and right customer with the right product. So
I
I
just
want
thought all the services that you would be providing, and what would be the price of that. Do you think you
oh,
can do it?
I have two packages like weekly and monthly, and right now I have an five members who work with me. Our agency name is Nova Web Digital. So here I have four digital marketer and one graphic designer. So our monthly package is we will support you full month, $250, and 1 week for 1 week, only $75. with our expert team, not only me, with our expert team.
I haven't accepted anything yet. I want to know. I want you to write me an email with all the details that you
Oh,
comment me. I want to have it very clear to know
yes,
what will you be offering me, what time dates would be, and the price. Because I'm going to be honest to you. As I'm talking to you, I'm talking with 10 person 10 other person from Fiverr. I'm asking to all of them what are they offering me, what are the prices. So I want to compare with everybody. I want to know what's the best option to me. You
yes,
understand?
sir. So here I can help you grow your business 10x faster instantly. Okay, I can help you grow your business and achieve 10x faster sale using my marketing experience and expertise in digital advertising. Here,
So
how I can assist you, like Google Ads, crafting targeted ad campaign to drive traffic and conversion, continuous monitoring and optimizing for maximum ROI. ROI means return of invest. And on the other hand, Facebook ads, completing ad creative that engage your target audience, utilizing advanced targeting option to reach potential customer. SEO and content strategy, optimizing your website for the search engine to increase organic traffic, right? And developing a content calendar with valuable keyword rich article to attack and retain customer. And then social media marketing, building a strong social media presence with consistently and engaging post, you can succeed in future. And email marketing is the most important. Effective email campaign to nurture leads and drive sales, implementing automation and streamline your marketing effort. So by leveraging these strategies, I can help you maximize your online presence and significantly increase your sale. Let's You can work together. You can work with my agency to make stillpetfind.com a leading name in the electronic pet supplies market. I can currently offering my business consultancy service with two special packages. Basic package free business consultancy with 1 week of full support our team 75 recently I said, and number two, premium package 1 month for free consultancy and dedicated team support for only $250 plus running ads cost. Okay, sir.
okay. Well, Mister, thank you so much for your time. I will be waiting for that email then.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
Well, Mister, have a great day. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you so much. Same here.
Also,
Okay.
have a great day. Bye bye.